Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. This is just a real quick thing. You know, when you're doing an art journal page, ATC or what have you, and you want to write words on top, or you want to put white on top, and sometimes you don't have anything, or maybe you don't have the money to go buy a paint marker or a marker that writes over top. Go to your local dollar store or your junk drawer and find Bic. It is the Bic multi-purpose correction fluid. For when you're make mistakes when you're typing and all that, because we're all typing all the time. But the dollar store has this. This is where I got this, and it says shake well. And I just have Sharpie here, but it could be paint or whatever. And it has a cute little. So if you want to write on it. Now, obviously, I didn't put enough to write the word. And you can put another brush in. Maybe you want to use a finer paintbrush, which I don't have sitting here right now. But you know what I'm saying? So you can make it as much, as thin as you want it. But if you want to put a little glint in, maybe you drew a face, you want to put a little glint in the eye, or whatever. Or you could just use it for mistakes when you're art journaling, and maybe put a color down that you didn't like. And it dries. You can work on top of it. And I have it sitting around all the time. Just bought a new one because I am out of my other one. And you can see it covers opaquely over it. It's permanent once it's down. So that's just a little quickie I just wanted to share with you guys. So I hope you guys are having a good day. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye-bye.